Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to upload course on Payhip. So uploading a course on Payhip is a straightforward process, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide to help you get started. So watch to the very end. So to get started, so you have to create a Payhip account. So if you don't already have one, just sign up for a Payhip account. And after that, go to your product page and click on the Add New Product button. Then select the course option. Then from there, you have to fill in the course details. So to do that, fill in the title and description of your course. You can also add a cover image to make it more appealing. And after that, in the curriculum tab, tap Start Adding Section and Lesson for your course. Payhip support various types of lesson, including video, test, quiz, and download survey with assignment and embedded content. And after that, you can customize your course player to mark your branding by editing color, font, and uploading your logo. And after that, you can simply set a price. So to set a price, you have to add a pricing plan for your course, such as one-time payment, subscription, or free option. After that, customize the sub page to explain why people should enroll in your course and what they can expect. Then after that, once you are ready, click on the Publish tab and choose the appropriate publishing option. And after that, you can simply draft or pre-order or published, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.